Winner of the 2023 TIDA New Zealand Renovation of the Year is Borrmeister of Borrmeister Architects.
This 1899 heritage-listed villa had undergone previous alterations with a mid-2000s addition. Its latest renovation called for minor internal alterations and refurbishment to the existing structure and a completely new addition at the back suitable for a growing young family. A key vision for the addition and alterations was to increase the connection of the house to its surrounding gardens and northern outdoor living area. Raw materials used in the garden room and a soaring extension of timber and concrete structures enhance the garden connection. Timber fins, battens, a floating pergola and picture windows frame garden views, blurring the boundaries and bringing nature inside. The existing living area light well has been enhanced by the addition of rich dark timbers to the ceiling, a change from the original white. In addition, a new light well in the garden room highlights the raw texture of the board-faced concrete wall below. The TIDA judges were impressed with the preservation work done to the existing villa and with how the new contemporary addition to the rear provides a warm and inviting family living space with easy access to the outdoors. Congratulations to Borrmeister Architects, winner of the 2023 TIDA New Zealand Renovation of the Year.
This was a very exciting project for us and we're very proud of the result. Like with most successful projects, we worked with a great team, which made the entire design and construction process very enjoyable. First and foremost, I would like to thank our clients for getting us involved with this renovation to their existing heritage listed building. Thanks also goes to Avenue Architectural Builders, who did a fantastic job in bringing our vision to life. Their attention to detail is outstanding. I also would like to acknowledge the engineers from Paul Fenwick and my team here at Borrmeister Architects who worked on this project. We are very honored to receive this award today, and I would like to thank this year's judges at TIDA. One of the key aspects and visions for this renovation was the development of connections between the house and the surrounding gardens in the northern outdoor living spaces, while still respecting the architecture of the heritage listed house. I believe that we have achieved this by having a consistent language, architectural language, throughout the new additions. With the introduction of the floating pergola, natural materials like cedar and off-the-board concrete features, as well as picture windows, we were able to blur the lines between inside and outside and bring nature inside. We really appreciate receiving this award today and would like to thank TIDA again. Thank you.